Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool single slot payphone. This is Kevin's equipment from Kentucky, and this is the initial checkout of this payphone, and we want to run through a little bit about what needs to be done. And when this unit came in, there were no keys to the front cover or the vault door and no T key. So the locks have been removed, and we do have a T key now for this unit, and Kevin's just going to go with a T key. He does not need a cover lock and a vault lock. The T key is sufficient for locking this unit up. Now, in this conversion, what we need to do is we need to remove the main PC board. It's a programmable board. It's of no use to us, cannot be used in the conversion, and so that will be removed. We also want to go through the coin validator. We want to make sure that our coins are dropping through the unit down into the cash box area, and we do have a cash box with this unit. Now, we found some washers and a wood screw that was an old mounting screw floating around on the inside of this unit when we took the locks out. We also want to make sure that our keypad, and we're going to do a still picture of this, it does not have a tone generator associated with it. So we need to install a tone generator situation. So we need to design everything out, because this is just a keypad, and we will do some still pictures of the inside of the front cover. We also want to go through our handset. We want to go through our security cable and make sure that our transmit and our receive and the security cable are good and that they can be used. So that needs to be troubleshooted. We also want to install a bell circuit, and we want to install a modular port. So Kevin can simply bring in any length line cord, any color he chooses, and plug right into the modular port. Makes for a simple, easy plug-and-play connection. So we have a lot of work that we need to do to this unit, and we want to get a start on it. So what we're going to do is we're going to come back and get some more video as soon as we move forward in the repair and conversion of this really cool single slot payphone. So we'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished up with the repair and conversion of this really cool single slot payphone, and we're ready to start our final checkout. Now, we also want to mention that when this payphone came in, it did not have any keys to the locks. So the lock for the front cover had to be removed, and the vault door lock had to be removed. And we also located a T key. So we have a T key for this unit now, and that's all Kevin will use to enter into this unit is a T key. And most people go that route because there's no sense in really having any locks when you have to have a T key to get into the payphone to begin with. And so we also had to install a tone generator board for this unit. The keypad was a standalone keypad, really didn't have any electronics with it other than the programmable board that was removed. And we also installed a bell circuit. We installed the modular ports so a line cord could be brought in and simply plugged right in to the main line, and another modular port that a handset cord can be plugged into and plugged into the PC board for the tone generator. And we'll go ahead and show you a short clip of that. I want to go ahead and show the connection points for our line cord, our bell, and then also our PC board for our tone generator and our keypad and the network. So we'll go ahead and use a line cord, and you would simply bring a line cord in any length, any color, and plug right in to the modular port at the bell. It's a simple, easy plug and play connection. The other line or the other end would just go on out and connect to a jack. And then we also want to use this curly cord, which is a handset cord, and we can plug that right on in to the protruding smaller modular port, and then we would go ahead and connect that right to our PC board. So once you install the backboard, and that's on the wall where you want it installed, you would simply bring your front cover up and hold the front cover and plug right into it. And it makes for a simple, easy plug and play connection. And that's pretty simple. Just plug right in and you're ready to go. So we're going to go ahead and get back to the video right now. We also had to go through the handset. Now the caps are epoxied on a Payphone handset, and those caps, if you know how to do it, can be removed most of the time. Now there's sometimes you cannot remove them and they have to be cut off. In this case, we were able to remove the receiver capsule cap and the transmitter cap. And so now the receiver capsule or the transmitter can be replaced because those caps are freed up and they can be taken off. We also troubleshooted our security cable. That was taken care of. So a little bit of everything has been gone through. We had to go through the coin validator and make sure that all the coins were falling down into the cash box area. Now we have the vault door to the side because there's no need to have it on. We're going to run some change through this unit. And we also want to mention our amplified pickup. We use this in troubleshooting, repairing, and on our final checkouts. It's amplified so that you can hear the audio from a receiver handset. And we have a button on our amplifier, and we can show you dial tone at any time, so we can give dial tone or take it away. We want to go ahead and throw some change into this unit. We'll go ahead and do a nickel here. That was a quarter. We'll do a dime. We'll do another dime. We'll do a nickel. And we'll do one last quarter. Go ahead and pull our cash box out. Kevin's getting rich with bubblegum money. We'll go ahead and empty our cash box, reinstall it into the unit. Now this unit did not have a informational card on the bottom. The top informational card was with the Payphone. We installed an informational card on the bottom. So everything was gone through on this Payphone. And now what we want to do is we want to go ahead and start our final checkout. So we'll go ahead and use our analyzer and we'll ring the unit. We'll let that go a few times. I'll let it go one more time. We'll give you some dial tone. We want to walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. I'm going to end in a 2. Now I want to transmit into the handset. If you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, That's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. So now that we know that this unit is ringing in on a ring cycle, it's dialing out, we have transmit and receive, we can go ahead and push this button on the switch box. That gives us a line out, totally takes the analyzer out of the situation, and we can call a time and temp number. So we'll go ahead and give you some dial tone, and we'll call that number.
Good evening. Today is Saturday, March 19th. The time is 9:37. Current temperature 42 degrees. Now the weather forecast for the Belleville area. Partly to mostly cloudy today. Slight chance of an isolated shower. Highs around 50. Mostly cloudy tonight. Chance of rain and snow. Lows in the low 30s. Sunday, a chance of rain possibly mixed with snow in the morning. Chance of rain in the afternoon. Mostly cloudy. High 48.
Hang our unit up. Give you some dial tone. We'll call my number and it'll be busy. Hang our unit up. Now that we know that this unit has been repaired and converted, we can return it to Kevin and he can enjoy this payphone. I'm sure it's going to look great no matter where it's installed. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.